Guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining me. Today we're looking at this really cool outdoor seating sectional from Pamapic. This is the Rattan material with the gray cushions. This has got a lot of great configurations, very comfortable, very versatile. It's got this nice table in the middle here. So we're going to go for a full review. We're going to show you how we assemble it, go through it, show you all the features of it. So let's get started. The couch comes in two boxes. It is packaged very well, and the contents are very well organized. I'm just getting out all the pieces and organizing them and opening up the cushions, which are all vacuum sealed. Each box has its own instruction manual, hardware, and tools to assemble it. I opted to use my own impact driver with an Allen bit to help speed up the installation. However, all of the tools needed to assemble it are included, and there are even a few extra screws and nuts for backups. On the Pamapic website, you can view a step-by-step video tutorial on how to build and assemble all of the pieces. 4 of the chairs are armless and are all assembled the same way. 2 longer bolts holding on the backrest with a nut securing it, and then 3 smaller screws that secure on the side panel. And then screwing on the adjustable feet to the 4 corners of the chair. And then it is just repeating the same step 3 more times for the other armless chairs. Having a drill or impact driver with the Allen bit on there does speed up the process significantly. The 2 corner chairs are assembled similarly with just an extra step using the longest bolt that is included. This is assembling the table, which is just screwing 4 panels together, but make sure that the feet holes are facing down and the glass support arms are facing up when assembling this. The tabletop is a darkened tempered glass that sits level with the sides and has a great look to it. All the chairs are assembled, so we have 4 armless chairs. Those are all these right here, the 4 armless ones, and then 2 corner chairs, and those can be kind of like the end or a corner. A lot of different configurations. I want to take a look at the cushions here. The cushions actually have a really nice material to them. Feel nice. They have got really good cushion, and it seems like it's a very durable material. You can zip the covers off, so if you want to take these off, you want to wash them, you can do that. This is a weather resistant. It's going to resist fading. It's going to resist sun damage, and weather resistance too, so this is going to be nice for outdoors, these cushions here. One thing that I really like about this is these back cushions. So these 4 here are the back cushions for armless chairs, and what these straps do is they strap onto the back of that, so that way the upright cushion or the back cushion doesn't fall off, slide off, move. It's kind of secured on there. So I'm going to show you how those look when we get those on. So we take one of these cushions, the zipper is going to be on the bottom, and we're just going to put that around the back there. And that way, this is not going to move. It's not going to slide around. It's not going to move. I really like this feature on these armless chairs. Now, there's 4 backrest cushions that don't have any straps on them. These are the 4 that go on the corner chairs. And one on the side, one on the back. And it's easy to distinguish between the 2. So I like that we know these ones go on the corner. Now let me show you all the different configurations that we can do with these 6 pieces. Okay, here's option 1. So you can have 3 chairs around the table here, and then you have the couch, like a 3 cushion couch here. This is a really nice configuration if you want to have kind of more open seating area where it's easy to get kind of in and out, sit more people, and kind of be centered around the table. Okay, here's option 2, is we can have a little bit longer sofa in the back here. So we've got 2 armrests in the middle, and then the corners in each of the corners, and then 2 armrests on the end, kind of like a U-shaped couch. This is a great option as well. The table here in the middle, so this is very versatile. Okay, this option is just moving these chairs that were right here out a little bit. That way there's a space there. It actually opens up this corner seat here. So this way I think seats a little more people, because you can have 2 there, and then you have actual 4 full seats here on the couch area. So this is another great option. And the final option we're going to look at here, this is the L-shaped option. You can see how it forms an L here. You've got an armless chair on the end, the 2 corners right here, and this one forms the end. So this is a great option as well. So very versatile in the different configurations, or you can do a combination of kind of each of these. You can try it out. The nice thing is these are very easy. They're fairly lightweight as well, so it's not very hard to move these around. You can carry them around, move them wherever you want to. into the right configuration. Now once you get it into the configuration that you want, it comes with these clips, and these clips clip onto the bottom of the connecting chair, so that way it kind of locks it all together. Now in this configuration, the L shape, we would use all of these. The two sections I'm connecting, I'm tipping back to expose the underside. I'm going to line them up so I can put the clamps on. To get these clamps on, we're going to put one at the top here and then one down here on the bottom to really keep them secured together. So we're just going to put it around one of the posts here, and then we're just going to push it into place. You got to use a little force just to push it in there, and then it clamps in. So it's gripping around this post. Okay, we got both of them on there. Now it's really sturdy. We can flip this back up, and then we can also do this to all the other sections that we want to clamp together as well. Tip one of them down, and now it just all goes together. So now when you sit down, it's not going to move, it's not going to rattle around. If you have it on rough or more uneven surfaces, you can adjust the feet. So like I have it on a rug right here, and I could adjust the back feet up a little bit so that way it's level, it's not going to wobble. Now we would use these clamps on all of the areas that it connects. So on that side, every section that's connecting, where there's a line there, that's where you're going to be using those clamps. This is an impressive outdoor sectional. I like the versatility that it provides with all of the different configurations. Assembly was simple and straightforward. We had it completely assembled in under an hour. It's got a great look to it. This gray color is very stylish. It's made of very durable materials and is comfortable to sit in. It comes in 3 other colors as well. So this is the gray color. It has a beige, navy, or brown color that also look good. There's also a 1-year manufacturer warranty. And this is a very good value. It comes in at an affordable price. It's a great option if you're looking to create a comfortable, stylish outdoor seating area. I expect this to last many seasons to come. Be sure to see the link to this in the description down below. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.